Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel in the name of Marie Beauty. Yeah. And today we're going to be doing a DIY facial steam at home since quarantine got us locked down. So we're going to go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, we're going to start with a pot of water, not too much, not too little. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn the heat on either high or medium. Make sure it gets to boiling so you can have that steam. So once it starts steaming, you're just gonna take some oven mitts. You're gonna take it off the stove if you have a metal pot like me. You're gonna take it off the stove. You're gonna set it on the counter or set it table, whatever you do, wherever you're doing it, and you're gonna go ahead and set it on something safe. Okay, so now you're gonna take a nice little towel, and you're gonna put your face over it. Do not put your face on it, people. Don't smoke it either. Don't be like me, don't smoke it. Okay, but you're gonna take a nice towel, put it over your head, and try not to get your face too close to the water so you don't burn your face off. But you're gonna go ahead and let it sit there and steam for a little bit. I waited like probably 2 minutes, but be careful because sometimes you can't breathe. So, yeah. Alright, now that I look like a ripe tomato, I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the rest of my routine. What I did after this, I put on a face mask, I extracted all the stuff out of my nose, and I get whitehead under my chin, but I took all that out, and I went ahead and put on a face mask and washed my face and did whatever I had to do, moisturize and all that. Alright, make sure you guys go follow my Instagram at LOP23 and make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe.